I'm here to look at a stove. Said none of the burners are working. I turned it on. This one's working. This side's working. I know it's ugly. This was just loose. I tightened the screw already. Same thing here. I'm gonna have to get to another one where they take care of it to get you the model number. But in the back here, see how this is all fried on this infinite switch? So I'm gonna replace this. On this side, it's even worse. So I'm gonna replace that, start it up, and I think they should be good to go. So I'll get back with you shortly. If they don't come home while I'm doing this. Okay, I'm back. I just want to show you what we did. Because it was all burnt up and everything, like what we talked about. Even this side's worse. I have Jay Booty working on that other side. Now I'm gonna wrap it with some electrical tape for high voltage. These are porcelain wire nuts. So I'm gonna just wrap these. I just want to be 100% sure, so I'm gonna use this high voltage electrical tape. All right. I also put some high voltage electrical tape coming over here. Definitely getting hot on all of them. So looks like we did all right. That was the only problem. I'm gonna put the panel back on. I don't think I have to record that. And if this was helpful, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get one of these kind. And I'm definitely gonna put the model number in the description as soon as I figure out what it is. All right, thanks for watching. If that's helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.